Sir, can you please have a mask if you come in here?
Yeah.
What a show. Hey, look what we found.
Good morning. It's Saturday. You probably can't hear me. Unreal. Unreal. It's Saturday morning and Tori and I are about to take off, and we are going to a wrecking yard, and we found a 96 GT with a Cobra IRS swap in it. Tori's buddy went there and asked how much it was going to be, and they told him $400 for the complete rear end. Many of you know $400 for a complete IRS Cobra rear end is super cheap. So we're gonna go show up and try and pull it and see how much we can get it for, because eventually in my car I'm going to put the Cobra IRS in it. That's what we're doing today, and we will see how it goes.
Screw the Fox body, dude.
Dude, should build another Fox body.
Hopefully this is our $400 rear end. Carlton's gonna go talk to the grouchy guy that absolutely loves his job and see what he says. However, I don't know how the we're gonna get it out of here. What are you thinking, buddy?
This is about to be a show. Oh my god.
Hey, see what we can do. All right, well, it's gonna be a lot of fun, but he's going to check the price right now, and honestly, for the price, you can't, if it is really $400 like they say, you can't beat it. So just got to do it, got to get everything out and get it all ready to roll. What'd they say?
Said $450 for the complete rear end, like this rear end. And then the calipers back here are $25 each,
Stock?
because they're, you know, stock, nothing special back here.
Nothing, no.
And then the front calipers, because they're Cobra calipers, are $250 a piece. So hopefully we pull this,
Yep.
bring it up, and
They don't try us.
they don't try us, because if they do, we're leaving it there.
Yep. Just want to say that I love my lift very much. I haven't crawled on the ground this much in about 10 years. So you're welcome, asshole.
I would do the same for you.
He would. So
I need something to pry against it.
cut the straps. Yeah, you want to throw your pry bar?
May or may not work.
Cut the straps on the fuel tank, and it just drops down. They got ratchet straps on there, so that's leaking, so that's cool. Halfway there. Alright, still going on this. I just hit my back on the mirror. The time-lapse camera died. We're stuck on this one bolt on this corner, and now we're jerry-rigging some stuff up to lift up on the axle to pull the bolt out. So this normally lower control arm bolt, which is now a IRS mount bolt, got to get that out so we can take out all the other ones and just drop everything. Found a jack in the yard, gonna jack it up to get the bolt out because right now it's pinched cockeyed. What do you think, buddy? Having fun?
It's just some sketch.
All I gotta say is they better not try to up the price once we get there. Oh, that's sketchy.
Did I just break the jack?
Did you? I think it's maxed out.
No, it wasn't. There was still room on the...
Oh.
I just need to get down here more.
Gotcha.
Day 562.
It just dropped. No, I don't know if it was the car. No, it was the axle. All right, ready?
No.
It should stay up because the shocks are still connected. That was just the springs, see?
See, I told you we should have taken those out. I'm holding the car up like it's gonna do something. Now that one's stuck.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. All right, time for you to crawl in the car. You gotta press that right there, buddy.
Stop these things.
Look where you gotta climb.
Found a penny.
Ooh.
Oh.
You might need to take your knife out in case you encounter any animals.
Not seeing anything.
You see a latch back there?
Uh-oh.
Just take that off. How's it going back there?
There's no latch.
No latch?
Oh.
So there's no pull cord, so he's got to take the whole latch off. It's 3 10mm bolts. Just stepped on the camera, that's cool. There's one. There's 2. There's 3. Hi, buddy. Oh, that's fun. Okay, so we got bolt there, bolt there. Whole thing should drop down. Ready?
No. Wait. Just let me move these sockets real quick.
Okay. Can you imagine it goes forward and flips them everywhere?
Dude. Not a good time.
We're stuck.
Beautiful. Well done, dude.
Yeah, so
Now, how are we gonna get it out of here?
this is gonna be the hard part. This might be harder than getting all its bolts out, honestly.
And then hopefully we get the price that we wanted, so
Yeah.
we'll see.
You need a head gasket for a Honda? 1.8 liter? Brand new, never used. That's not easy to do on the ground at all. I can tell you guys that much, but it's out. Now we got to carry it through the small ass area.
It's pretty easy.
That wasn't too bad.
No
way. Let's get out of here.
We're technically wrong.
So, are we going to talk about the fact that you just literally stole from the junkyard?
So we went up. Hey, we pulled that rear end from the 96 GT Mustang. Oh, okay. Comes out, looks at it. And that's when I thought for sure. I for sure thought when he comes and looks at it, he's going to be like, oh, that's not a rear end out of a Mustang. Pulls one of these. Sweet, looks good. I'm like, okay. He always, either he knows and he's going to screw us over and he writes this invoice up or something's going to happen. Writes the invoice up, hands it over, $495.95.
$500, dude. Under $500 for IRS.
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
We definitely scored.
Yeah, so got all the brackets. Each side, we also got the brake lines, even though we won't really use them. He bought the calipers, and then came with the rotors, all the bolts, everything.
Even though, yeah, the only thing is the rotors are kind of rough. We won't use
them. You won't be using them anyways.
But keep it on there.
Yeah.
I don't think he even charged for the rotors. I think he just charged for the calipers.
It wasn't, honestly, it wasn't that bad. It was just the fact that it was on the ground. Good deal.
Good deal, dude.
Yeah, even if it's not 0304, which are 31 spline, 355 gears, which we're going to take an axle nut off now and take the caliper out of the way and try to count the splines, or take a CV axle out or something and count them to see if it's a 0304 or if it's 99 to 01 Cobra. So
probably just going to keep it and build it for the old drift car.
So we will rip this out of here and tear it apart, and we will show you guys what we find out.
Welcome to the outside world. All right, so we pulled an axle nut off one side, counted the splines, and it is 28 spline.
28 spline. You miscounted.
28 spline. Nice, dude. A little squirt. But that's okay, because really we're gonna do more with it than just run it as a stock diff. Now we're gonna clean it up and...
Not weed. I just showered. I'm just doing the fun part.
He's just spraying. He's just squirting white stuff all over it. Unreal. Clean it up. Cleaned up nice. Got all the dirt, grease, grime off of it, pressure washed it, and it's looking good. I'm gonna flip it back over on the dolly, let it dry out, and then put it up in storage. So super stoked on the deal we got. Excited for it to go back into this car. It's gonna be sick. That won't be for a little while, so we'll see when that happens.